Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. Here is my latest DIY project. Actually, my deck is completely rotten and broken as you can see in the picture. I just first thought let me call someone, but then I thought let me just give it a try. I can save a lot of money. So I rushed to Home Depot, picked up some wood. These are 10 feet and 12 feet long wood. Make sure when you pick up wood, especially for the external, you make sure you pick up the pressure treated wood. So what I did was I lay them down and measured them. And initially I thought I'll just fix one or two of them, but then once I did one, I started feeling like confident I can do it. So the only tricky part here is that you have to use miter saw to cut 45-degree angle cuts. I did that and I fixed few of them, and then slowly I just went on, and then I decided to rip off it full and now you can see I fixed almost up to the end. So yeah, and then I took my shop vacuum and cleaned it up, and then here you can see I have painted and it looks nice. So yeah, if you have something like this and right now when you're home and if you want to fix it, go ahead and do it. And if you have any questions, please do leave a comment. I'll answer them. Alright, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.